Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oscal C20 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oscal. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect, by inputting this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers and use Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!